Namaste. I am Dr. Asmita Vele, Director Research at Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Ayurveda and Research Center, D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University, Pimpri, Pune. Today I will be talking to you on diabetes. Preventing and managing diabetic complications with Ayurveda. Do you know India has been projected by WHO as the country with fastest growing population of diabetic patients. 1 of every 4 people with diabetes doesn't know that they have it. Presently, in Ayurveda, 2 terms are used interchangeably in the context of diabetes, prameha and madhumeha. Madhumeha exactly translates to urine like honey, while prameha means an increase in the frequency of urine. All prameha ultimately converts to madhumeha, or we can say that madhumeha is an advanced stage of prameha and is largely incurable. You must be wondering, what causes diabetes mellitus? Modern science points out that diabetes is caused by an improper carbohydrate metabolism. The absence or improper function of insulin due to a metabolic disorder allows the carbohydrates to accumulate in the bloodstream in the form of glucose. This is one of the primary characteristics of diabetes mellitus. But research in this field has highlighted the importance of lipid metabolism and its role in the development of diabetes as well. Ayurveda tells us that diabetes mellitus is mainly caused due to the nexus between dosha, that is vata pitta kapha, dushya, that is tissue elements, and their specific combinations. Prameha is also caused due to etiological factors like heredity, classified as Kulaja Vikara, or it can be acquired or apathya nimittaja, that means caused as a result of unhealthy lifestyle. Diabetes complications as per Ayurveda. Ayurveda considers the complications of prameha as a disease of Meda Dhatu, that is body fat or adipose tissue. It's dushti, that means vitiation, with additional derangement in the Mausa Dhatu, muscle tissue, Kleda, it's a liquid form, Rasa Dhatu, Rakta Dhatu, Majja, Shukra, etc. Aggravated Kapha dosha and Meda Dhatu, as well as their flaccidity or fluidity, are the 2 main factors involved in pathogenesis of prameha. Increased kleda, that is excess moisture in the body tissues, is responsible for increased fluidity of kapha dosha. It's bahudrava shleshma, and meda dhatu also, bahu abadha meda. It is a disease affecting the medovaha srotas, that is channels of lipid metabolism. Now let us see how to prevent and manage diabetic complications. Ayurvedic line of treatment starts from correction of Meda Dhatu Dushti, that's deranged adipose tissue, which is responsible for further pathophysiology of prameha. Here are some quick do's and don'ts to follow. Let's begin with the don'ts. In lifestyle habits, excessive eating, being sedentary, excessive sleeping, lack of physical activity, and sleeping in daytime should be avoided. In eating habits, avoid maida white flour, its preparations like cakes and parathas. Avoid unroasted shamidhanya, that is pulses like black sesame seeds, urad and cowpea. Avoid or reduce mausa varga, that is non-vegetarian foods from diet. Avoid fruits like banana, custard apple, mango, watermelon, guava, pineapple and the sweet ones. Avoid tubers like potato, beetroot, cabbage, etc. Avoid alcoholic drinks and avoid sweet fruit juices and soft drinks. Here's what you can do as per Ayurveda to prevent and manage diabetes. Alter your lifestyle and everyday habits. Walk every day. Exercise regularly at least for 30 minutes. Practice yoga. And if you are able to opt for vigorous physical activity, switch to better eating alternatives. Shukra dhanya like yava or barley, godhuma means wheat, and different kinds of millets. Shamidhanya like red gram, horse gram and green gram are always best as food items for diabetics. Opt for fruits like jamun, amla, oranges, lemons, pomegranates and such other citrus fruits. Opt for bitter vegetables like bitter gourd, radish, carrots, cucumber, brinjal and some more. When choosing to practice yoga, you can opt for some asanas. Let me tell you. Uttita Trikonasana, Parivartita Trikonasana, Prasarita Pada Uttanasana, Jathara Parivartanasana, Pavana Muktasana, Viparita Karani Asana, Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, Mandukasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana, Paschimottanasana, Ardha Ushtrasana. These asanas definitely help to maintain your health in diabetes. The Ayurvedic principles and treatments prescribed for the prevention of diabetes have all proven extremely relevant in modern and scientific way of treatment. With proper integration of Ayurveda in our everyday life, it is possible to live a long and healthy life. It is also essential to consult a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and develop an appropriate treatment plan. If you are trying to prevent or manage diabetes or its symptoms, then Ayurveda is the way to go. Click on the link in the description to access more Ayurveda related content, and for more Ayurveda hacks, keep watching me with Livayur.